Researchers develop robots that can put together an IKEA chair in 8 minutes. So this for me is a bit worrying. There isn't a video here. Not so much worrying. It's we are going through another industrial revolution with AI and robotics, and to me we've always had technology or robots in our life. They've just been machine learning and been going through our bank accounts and telling us what to watch on Netflix and all of this good stuff. But the problem being is, or maybe some may say it, the good thing is that's now happening is robots are now transferring to the physical age, and they're actually gaining dexterity. So there's a video that I put up recently around this, effectively a robot building a cabinet or a shelf, I forget what it was, but we are seeing a lot more dexterity in robotics, and I think this is going to be only a matter of years now before we start seeing robots more and more in our everyday life.